Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option to get my instant updates every week. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful beehive key holder idea with cardboard, adrai clay, homemade adrai clay and waste bangles. So keep watching till end without skipping the video. So let's get started. Cut cardboard to this shape. You will need 2 pieces for thickness. I am going to use these metal bangles to make hooks. Take any metal bangles that is easy to bend. Press it at the center and fold like this to make hooks. I made totally 3 pieces. I am going to use Fevibond, or you can use super glue such as Sanabond or Fevikwik that you can get it from any shop to stick these hooks to the cardboard. If you are using Fevibond, you should apply glue on both the surfaces and allow it to dry for 5 minutes and then you have to stick it. First stick the hooks on 3 sides like this and then apply glue to the cardboard and then place the second piece of the cardboard. To cover the edges, I am going to use masking tape. This is a paper tape that you can get it from any craft shop, or you can use newspaper pieces plus glue to cover the edges. Now I am going to give a layer of homemade gesso or primer to create a good base, and also it will make the cardboard piece stronger. This gesso or primer is very easy to make. I will give my homemade gesso recipe link in the description box to check it. Give a layer of this primer on both the surface and allow it to dry. I have also covered the edges. Now take any adrai clay. I am using my homemade one. I will give the recipe link in the description box to check it. Or you can even use Fevicryl Shilpakar molded clay for this. The honeycomb will have hexagon shape in this. To get the texture, you can use screw like this, or you can use any basic pencil such as this, which will have hexagon shape in both front and back side. Or you can even use color pencils like this, which will have hexagon shape at the back side. Just press it like this. If you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel for more craft ideas. Creating uneven edges with the help of the scissors. Check description box to know the list of materials I use. Now with the help of the glue, paste all the honeycombs to the cardboard base. Now let it dry for some time. It takes 12 hours to 1 day to dry completely. Let's make honeybees. For this you will need some metal wires. You can get it from hardware shop or you can get craft wires from any craft shop. Just take some clay and shape it like this. Make 2 clay balls. Now cut the wire, dip it in the glue and then fix it. To make wings, flat some clay and attach wire so that you can insert the wings into the body. Cut 2 wires, bend it and fix it for the legs. You can either make honeybee in this way or follow the second method. For this method, you will need some more wire pieces. Let me show you once again so that you can understand clearly. If you love watching my videos, please consider subscribing and do recommend my channel to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Using pencils to hold the wings in a place. For extra decoration, I am going to make some flowers and leaves with these flower cutters. But you can make your own handmade flowers and leaves. I have shown you how to make these in the multipurpose organizer video. I will give the link in the description box. Do check it. For time being, I am using these flower cutters to make flowers and leaves. Apply glue and stick it. Let all the clay work dry completely. Once dried, you can paint over them. For painting the honeybee, I am going to use 3 colors: lemon yellow, black and pearl white for the wings. Repeat the same for other pieces. Once dried, make lines like this. And the honeybees are ready to decor. Do comment on how it looks. Now for painting the honeycomb, I just mixed brown and yellow acrylic paints to get this color. Now to highlight the texture, I just mixed pearl white color in lemon yellow and just highlighting the texture. Color the petals with any bright color you wish. Using this metallic green color for the leaves. Now use any super glue such as Fevikwik or Fevibond or Anabond, or you can even use glue gun to stick the bees around the honeycomb. Just stick it randomly. Using brown color to paint the edges. All colors I use are acrylic colors. To match the theme, I am painting the hooks with the same honey color. To hang this, use any thread. I have this golden colored rope, so I am using it. You will need a piece of cloth. Now apply glue and attach the rope like this. Then again apply glue and stick the piece of cloth so that the thread won't come out. And it's ready. The beautiful beehive key holder is ready to decor your home. You can even use it as a wall decor. You can place keys like this. Do comment on what you think about this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video with amazing craft idea. Bye bye.